Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on core strength. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. No equipment needed. This is all body weight. We're going to be doing repetitions here. So 3 repetitions on each exercise. Grab your yoga mat and let's get started.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah.
one you do used to be.
Alrighty, great job today. I hope you guys enjoyed this exercises. If you did, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
So go have fun. I really couldn't care less, and you can give them my best, but just know I'm not your friend.